Hi, welcome to all of you on Medical Lab Tactics, the platform where actually science meets real life with crystal clear reasoning and experimentation. So my name is Haris, and in this video I am going to share you about my current academic journey and a few of the questions that I have been asked on different platforms. Bro, why GKS? Why South Korea? And especially why Soonchunhyang University? So grab your coffees because this video is going to be very interesting. So for September 2025, I have been blessed with many fully funded opportunities in different countries. So among all of these opportunities, I have selected GKS. So what is the reason? The first reason is legendary language year. GKS actually provides GKS scholars one complete language year, not just a month. I will say not just an online course, it is a duration of 1 year. You know, when you go to any of the foreign country, the one of the major problem is about the communication and the language barriers. So GKS actually provide 1 year of language. So this is the reason I have been selected here. For many of the people, it is just a part of scholarship. But for me, it is a survival training, and I will say it is a superpower. Because when you go to any of the foreign country, the most important thing is to make the communication with their locals and with their personals. And if you don't know about the language, so there will be a huge language barrier there. So GKS actually paves our way. And the second reason is international exposure. That I will say is very important for any international student or any other scholar. So GKS is truly an avenger of students. You will find here students from different continents with different and diverse background with their different culture and language, and when you talk with each other and you will laugh, so you will know about the culture and the countries of each other, I will say the norms of each other. So actually GKS truly provides us a full package. I will say from Pakistan to South Korea, it truly values, and GKS literally intentionally tends us to make global network, global communication and global family. So before the third reason, let me tell you about my university. I am studying in Soonchunhyang University, and in future I have intended towards a very specific and very top level department, that is School of Integrated Biomedical Sciences. I know it is a long name, but it truly works. I will say university is decided good or bad not because of its buildings or logos. It is because of the professors and the researchers who contributed it. And I will say Soonchunhyang has a very strong background in research work. All of the researchers and professors that contributed to Soonchunhyang University, and especially School of Integrated Biomedical Sciences. SIMS is one of the top research institute, biomedical research institute in Asia, and you will literally shocked to know that it has advanced level laboratories, professional professors and staff and supporters and I will say mentors. Once I haven't visited SIMS, so my experience was just different. I was just thinking that after looking at the labs, that labs are just looking to came out from just sci-fi movies, very modern, very advanced, and they was looking very good for high level research. So the professors, the researchers, all are exceptionally good, experienced there, and they are, and I will say they are literally intentionally tend their students toward high level research, and I will say this is very important, and this is a very of the solid reason, and this is the third reason actually. And right now I'm in the language year, so the teachers of language are also very exceptionally good. They are well equipped and they are well experienced. So Soonchunhyang University and SIMS both are highly classical in aspect of their staff, in aspect of their research, I will say opportunities, and they have top research labs that is the foundation reason I will say I have selected this university in comparison of other one. GKS doesn't just give you a degree, it gives you a strong foundation of language, culture and global exposure, and give you opportunity to make your research work there. So I am literally very excited to continue my academic master journey here, Dad. So if you have targeted vision and you are consistent, then you can do yourself. And I will say believe yourself. GKS is looking for you for the next year. It is actually the, I will say, the actual platform and opportunity where you can turn your dreams into reality if you are hard worker here. So it is a time to get sign off this video. Medical applicants, we will meet in the next video. Take care.